Welcome back to Prestige Motorsports. Today we're going to talk about our exclusive GT40 pulley system. So for those of you that are getting ready to purchase a GT40, look no further than this pulley kit. Obviously it's offered with our engine packages, and these are specifically designed for the Superformance cars, but they also work in other GT40 kit applications. So what this kit consists of is the brackets, the pulleys, and the hardware. And what makes these kind of unique is it doesn't use a belt tensioner, but in this application it's really not needed because it's got two idler pulleys that are very, very close together, and you'll notice that this idler pulley has an eccentric built into it. So that allows us to get tension down on the belt, and because everything's wrapped so tightly, once you have your initial tension, you really never ever have to worry about ever pitching a belt off. What is also included with this kit, we source a PowerMaster 140 natural finish one-wire alternator. It utilizes a Ford Racing. This is a street rod water pump, standard rotation, and it's a very, very short pump. That's what allows us to build this kit with a 6-groove serpentine belt. And then of course it's got the small Sandon AC compressor. So if you have a GT40 that maybe doesn't have our engine package in it, and it has a substandard bracketry, maybe some V-belt stuff, and you have a hard time keeping the belts on, this is the type of pulley kit that you need to look at. So if you're getting ready to purchase a GT40, whether it be a Superformance or other kit GT40, look no further than Prestige for the pulley system or a complete engine package. Not only that, we also offer installs and tuning services.